on the weekends, I ain't getting no sleep. And I'm a steady put in work, pushing my plow through this dirt, lifting my hands to the sky, thanking the Lord that he works. He's always at work, always alert in these mysterious ways, on the corners with thugs and rolling with the essays. See, now one of these days I'ma go and greet him with praise, till he splits open the sky and sets the world in a daze. So now I'm living my hustle, living my struggle up in this walk. I'm living my life by my faith, not living my life by my talk. I'm living a life set upon a path that is narrow in ways. I'm living a life that requires worship 24/7 type days. Yes, I'm always amazed on how he hustles my tongue, keeping my wordplay and my rhyme skills. Now I'm only one frame, but I'm not alone in this game, cause there's an army of angels waiting for the final trumpets to blade. And so I push, hustle, grind, trying to get the culture, just to open their mind. I said I push, hustle, grind, I spit my heart and my passion up in each and every line. That I push, hustle, grind, trying to get the culture, just to open their mind. I said I push, hustle, grind, I spit my heart and my passion up in each and every line.
Yo, high school is the place where I spend most of my time. I'm on the grind, trying to say the state of your soul, better get your mind. I push Christ, so no time for rewinds, dishing out the gospel like it was standing at lunch lines. Yeah, that's how I'm doing mine, 24/7 like 9 to 5, pushing truth and erasing lies. God, give me a passion to reach the high school students, give them living water like wells, and make their thoughts prudent, so that they're reaching for you instead of shorty. Life without you, Lord, is straight naughty. That's why we need in the change, rectify your brain. Transformation is the name, he can take away your shame and show you his glory through high school. Praying that something happens, that way you may start living under his rules. Christ is the final, we all got a test. You can study with God or just be like the rest.
I push, hustle, grind, trying to get the culture,
just to open their mind.
I said I push, hustle, grind, I spit my heart and my passion up in each and every line. That I push, hustle, grind, trying to get the culture,
just to open their mind.
I said I push, hustle, grind, I spit my heart and my passion up in each and every line. I never stop moving until I praise, walking evidently at the top of the day. I'm gathering wisdom with the words to say, show the way, map the play. I never stop moving until I'm done. The harvest plentiful, so I'm on the run, the war spiritual. I ain't got no gun, but I got protection, cause I rep the sun. I rep the one that keeps me grounded, that gave me founded. You missed your shot, let me rebound it and pass it back. Introduce you to its classic track, more soothing to your soul than the classic rap is proven fact. Don't turn your hustle around, don't turn your shuffle around. I'm not just messing around, don't turn your testing around, don't turn your guessing around, don't bring your blessing around. It feels so good to be found. I push, hustle, grind, trying to get the culture,
just to open their mind.
I said I push, hustle, grind, I spit my heart and my passion up in each and every line. That I push, hustle, grind, trying to get the culture,
just to open their mind.
I said I push, hustle, grind, I spit my heart and my passion up in each and every line.
Yeah, my man Mike on the guitar. Get it, man.